I want to show you guys my setup real quick, kind of how I do this. So the process is going to be pictures, package it up, box it up, measure, got my tape right here, weigh, and then I'll put the info back in my spreadsheet. And I'm gonna go through this spreadsheet once I get home again and do a little update on that. So again, here are all the parts. And then down below here, I have all these boxes that are ready to go. So, you know, if something comes in and it looks like a good box, I put it to the side. And then when it's time to sell stuff, I have boxes ready to go. So, and then once I'll also be labeling the boxes so I know what's in everything. And, you know, some of this stuff is gonna not sell for a little bit. So you can just put it away. Once it sells, go grab it off a shelf and get it out. So that's the process. Hope you guys learned a little bit about selling a bunch of shit on eBay. I got, I don't know, 20 or 30 items boxed up, weighed, ready to go on eBay, pictures taken, everything done. That's it for shop time. Time to go home and get to work on eBay.